Hello and welcome to the Nerdout Shelter, where it's a safe place to nerd out. And today I'm nerding out over the everyday calendar. That's right, it doesn't fit in frame. Well, there you go. There's a little label right there. Now, this is a product from YouTuber and maker Simone Giertz, and it's what she calls a personal gold star system for your habits. It's basically a printed circuit board with capacitive touch that lights up LEDs when you press, and they have every single day of the year on here, so it can keep track of anything that you want to do every day of the year, which is pretty cool. So I pre-ordered this a while ago. It just now showed up, so let's open it up and check it out. Okay, I don't even know if I can get it out of here. I gotta say, it's really well packaged, so that's cool. All right, let's toss that down. There we go. Look at that, the everyday calendar. Oh, they got these like protective things on the ends. Let's get rid of these. And get rid of that. All right, there we go. Oh, that's so cool. I mean, it's even got its own like cool box. Oh, that's awesome. All right, so here we go. Moment of truth. Let's open it up. And I'm gonna have to move the camera. I'm gonna have to move it. So, okay, here. It's gonna hit the camera otherwise. There we go. I did it. I did it. I made it. Okay. Oh, hey, it's here. Your very own everyday calendar. Oh, this is really cool. Oh, this is like the mounting template, so that's really cool. I have no idea what you're planning to use it for. Well, I'll talk about that in a minute. But I hope that it will prove to be a really useful tool for you. It surely has been for me. I made the everyday calendar because I wanted to make sure I meditated every day. And as much as it's a gold star system, I noticed that it's not necessarily the thought of getting to light up a day that spurred me on, but the thought of one little day not being lit up. So with that said, be kind to yourself, set the bar low, yeah, no problem there. You can always raise it later, and when you're finished with your year, just hold January 1st for 45 seconds to reset your calendar. All right, let's check it out. Oh, there it is. Oh man, okay, that is really cool. This is, okay, like I said, this is a printed circuit board on here. And it's like, I don't want to touch it, but that's the whole point of it. You're supposed to touch it, but it's so shiny and pretty. Oh, that's cool. All right, so let's take it out of the box. So there we go. We have all the months along the top, and then each one of these. Can you see that really close? There you go. There you go. January 1st, 2nd, 3rd, all the way down. Oh, man. This is super cool. All right, let's check it out. Let's check out the back here. Oh, look at this bamboo. This is really nice. It's like a really nice cutting board. I can cut my sushi on here. That's really cool. And then there we go. We got power and USB for programming. Okay, that's really cool. So we all know what happened in March 2020. And I found myself with a lot of free time on my hands, so to speak. And I decided then that I wanted to focus more on my YouTube channel, on the Nerdout Shelter. And I decided that I wanted to upload at least one video a day for an entire year, just to see if I could do it. And, well, now it's February, and over 400 videos later, I mean, I only have another month and a half to go to meet my goal, so, you know, this will be useful for a little bit longer, but, you know, after that, once I fill it up, once I meet my goal, I'm sure I can find something else to use it for, or maybe go for another year of uploading. I don't know, let me know what you think I should do. But, that being said, let's put this up on the wall in the studio and light it up. Oh, and let's not forget February 10th. All right, there you go. That's the Everyday Calendar by Simone Giertz. If you want to get yourself one, there's a link in the description, so go check it out. And if you like this video, please leave a like. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And until next time, thank you for visiting Nerdout Shelter, where it's a safe place to nerd out!